Good evening, sir. Um, my name is John Sheldon Aylevar from the section G2C, Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, and my partner for today is Emmanuel Manatad. So, our topic for today is compartmentation and its effects on watertight integrity. So, what is compartmentation? Compartmentation in a ship refers to a division of the vessel's interior into a separate watertight compartments. This is achieved through the use of bulkheads or walls and deck floors that are designed to prevent the spread of the water fire in the event of damage. So, let's proceed to the next slide, which is the goal of the compartmentation. So, the importance of compartmentation is paramount to the ship's safety and seaworthiness, in control to the damage of the ship, preventing the entire ship from sinking. It is also crucial for the ship's stability, and it helps prevent capsizing. We're done to the next topic. We now know what is compartmentation and its goal. So let's proceed on how compartmentation works. First one is bulkheads. Compartmentation uses watertight bulkheads, which are vertical barriers dividing the ship's hull into sections. So it means ships are divided into separate rooms, compartments by walls called bulkheads. So these bulkheads are watertight, so if one compartment floods, the water stays and contained, keeping the ship afloat and stable. To make a ship safer, it's not just about vertical walls or bulkheads. Here's how other features contribute. So the second one is watertight decks. These are horizontal walls that create even more separate space within the ship. Think of them as floors that also stops water from moving between levels. So number 3 is tight doors and hatches. These are special doors and openings that let people and things move between compartments in normal times. But in emergency, they seal tightly so stop water from spreading if there's a leak or flooding. And the last one is subdivision load line. This is a line on the ship that shows how deep it can safely go in the water. This depth depends on the number and size of the compartments. More compartments means it can go deeper because even if some flood, others will keep it afloat.
Good day, sir. I am Emmanuel Van B. Manatad, and my partner is Sheldon Onayvar. We are from section J2C, and my topic is all about effects on watertight integrity. So the first part is containment of flooding. So its part are, it limits water ingress to specific sections of the ship, and it allows the vessel to retain buoyancy and reduce the risk of sinking. The second is enhanced stability. It minimizes the weak ships and that could reduce the stability and prevent the significant rise of the gravity. And it helps maintain GM and the third is compliance with damage stability standards. The compartmentation ensures compliance with international regulations such as SOLAS or safety of life at sea. And these regulations often define the ship's survivability or more compartments flooded. The key concepts related to compartmentation are floodable length, margin line, permeability, progressive flooding. And the advantages of compartmentation is it improves the ship's survivability, operational safety, damage control, regulatory compliance, challenges and considerations that we must consider in compartmentation. The improper use of watertight doors, free surface effects, complexity in design. So what are the measures to maintain effective compartmentation? Regular inspection, maintenance, drills, damage control equipments, monitor and repair damages. So how important is the effects of watertight integrity? Watertight integrity refers to a vessel or structure's ability to prevent water from entering the compartments, especially when exposed to flooding or immersion. Maintaining water integrity is critical for safety at sea and structural durability. So the key effects of water integrity: it minimizes flooding, it controls the flooding, buoyancy and stability, survivability, structural protection, compliance and safety standards.